microphone. On that microphone. Yeah. I've been known to get it in on that microphone. Never lose, I play to win on that microphone. Bars pierce your fucking skin on that microphone. Turn enemies to friends on that microphone. I'm focused with big ass toasters when the cops try to raid, no roaches. These niggas hopeless, so I'm making the call to show you niggas how to ball like coaches. Run if the semi jams, cause I got 4 or 5 Eagles with never been a Philly fan. Stand up if you really can, I'm undefeated, so I got a real good reason to challenge any man. Got whips and chains, but I am not a slave. Stay in the cut, so I'm sharper than a barber's blade. That's why y'all afraid, cause I'm electrifying, like the dunks in the game that Vince Carter made. Give me a reason, fam. If you try, then you die, cause my bullets gon' fly like Peter Pan. Take it easy, man, that's the best way. Let's say, with an x-ray, you can't see me, man. SBZ. And ain't shit changed, we the ones that made it rain before Weezy. Lames can't reach me, like I'm 8 feet tall, I want it all, go get her, no Jeezy. Mackin' like a Don, so these rappers is along, cool, calm, with a ratchet in my palm. Battle me, you're gone, the kid with the charm that will kill your mom's, guns longer than my arms. Realize the things that he goes through, I got sons in the game, what daddy gon' do, drop jewels. If a nigga ratting on you, leave a hole in his chest like basketball hoops.